Hi guys, in today's video I'll show you how I got this look with this Indian curly hair, which I purchased from Allie Grace. And I first bleached the frontal, and I'll be coloring all the hair with this indigo blue. And yeah. So I kind of broke the clips up because if you want to see a detailed video of me doing this, I'll leave a few videos down below. I've done it so many times, so I'm sure you guys have seen it so many times. So I'm just going to go through coloring these three bundles, which are 2/28 and 1/26, and a 20-inch frontal. And this hair was so soft. I was so surprised how soft the hair really was. And believe it or not, I know I have it in fast forward, but I really went through these bundles really quickly. And made sure I got really close up to the wefts, and so I can get that color to distribute all over. And like I said, I love this hair, it's so soft.
I'm so surprised at this hair. How soft it got after cleaning.
And so she is gorgeous. She's T-pinned down, and I'm going to begin stitching the frontal down. I have gotten so used to doing these installs where I don't measure or do anything. I just kind of know my start to finish. I'm sorry guys if I'm sniffling. It's early. So I just pull her about an inch from where she's T-pinned down just to give her a more secure lock. And the hair didn't have like flyaways that were getting in my way, because normally I would have to use like clamps. So here I'm midway. And I'm coming to the close. And there she blows. Gorgeous. This hair is so full. She's fully dry, so she's not in a wet state. And like I said, the curl pattern, the wave pattern is still there. From combing through it is just visible. And there is a difference between this hair and body wave hair, because as you can see with this Indian curly, there is not a ocean wave type pattern. It's a wave there, but it singles itself out. And she's super full. At this point I was obsessed. So sorry I'm spending so much time pulling back the hair, but she came with a middle part frontal, and I was just seeing how versatile she was, and just how beautiful she is. You can see close up, and the wig cap is not detached underneath, and she still looks gorgeous. Like the bleaching of the knots and the hairline hasn't been fully customized, and she looks like this, guys. So in love. And the hair came out perfect. I see, like, looking at the video with all the lighting, you can see hints of like a midnight blue. So it's not really blue, it's just the blackest it would be. And I love it. And like I was saying about the flyaways, you can see here, most of the hair in the front is the baby hair that is just pulled back. There's not much flyaways. The hair it's a gorgeous unit. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll be bringing you how I actually installed her and glued her down. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video.